My name is Madeline, and this is a day in my life as a paralegal at the Holland Law Firm in St. Louis, Missouri. I arrive each morning a little before 8 a.m. and get my day started by dropping my things off in my office and heading downstairs to Java Plus for my morning coffee. Once I'm nice and caffeinated, I get the workday started by logging into our case management system, catching up on my emails, and returning any missed phone calls from the day prior. This can take anywhere from 1 to 3 hours each morning, depending on the day. Of course, Mondays are typically my busiest days on the phone. Most of the phone calls I make are to clients inquiring about their case and providing updates to them or answering any questions they may have. After I'm caught up on emails and phone calls, I go and check my mailbox. Most of the incoming mail I receive is in response to medical records I requested for our clients. Therefore, I dive right in by reviewing any medical records that were received that day. I'm first looking to make sure the client in review has a qualifying diagnosis or injury for the case they are seeking compensation for. After I confirm the injury, I notify an attorney so that we can progress their case to the next step. After I'm all caught up on emails, phone calls, and mail, it's time for lunch. I take lunch at about noon each day. I try to pack a lunch, but sometimes I'll leave the office to grab food. After I'm done eating, I take the elevator down to the gym. We are fortunate enough to have our very own gym in the office building we work in. I walk anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes on my lunch break. After lunch, I typically sit down with the attorney or attorneys I am working under for an informal meeting. We use this time to catch up on priorities and, of course, discuss various confidential matters. As a team lead, after I meet with the attorney, I will follow up with the rest of my team to fill them in on what we discussed. The rest of my afternoon is spent focusing on casework. This includes, but is not limited to, requesting medical records, preparing discovery, filing cases, and working with defense and/or co-counsel to resolve each case. My afternoon can look different each day depending on where we're at in each case, whether it be the beginning or perhaps settlement time. And then I wrap up each workday between 4:30 and 5 and head home to rejuvenate. I love my job and look forward to it every morning.